How to delete story archive on Facebook. So all you have to do is to go here to your Facebook application. Let's just go back here to our home page. Now the next thing that you want to do is it will lead you to our home page, right? Now on the bottom part you'll see 6 different options. So you will see home, video, friends, marketplace, notifications, and menus. So tap on the 3 dash lines there, the menu, click on that, and then here tap on your activity across Facebook. Now just scroll a little bit up until you see stories here section. As you can see, this section here says story, so click on that. Now if you click on that, 3 options will come out. It's either your stories activity, and then your archive stories. So click on that, and here you will see all your archive stories. Now what you're gonna do is, as you can see, I do not have any archived yet. That is because I haven't posted any stories yet that is saved from my archive. But here I'll just show you. You'll see all your archived there, right? Your archive story. So the next thing that you want to do is on the right side here, you'll see 3 dots. Click on that 3 dots and tap on remove if you only want to delete one story. Now let's say you want to delete all your story archive. On the left here, on the left upper part, you'll see all. You have to click on the box there until all there's a blue tick mark that will come out to all stories, and basically just tap on remove on the bottom part here. In this section here in the bottom part, you'll see a remove button. Click on that, and basically you have deleted your story on archive on Facebook. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.